In other news, using sledgehammers, officers and personnel of the BJMP pounded into smithereens dozens of mobile phones and scores of flash drives while torching at least 60 packs of bootleg cigarettes, all belonging to the latest stash of contraband seized this year from inmates inside their detention facilities. And as our Luisa Erispe reports, this year's volume or number of seized illegal items from inside jail cells has significantly dropped.
The Bureau of Jail Management and Penology National Capital Region, or BJMP-NCR, destroyed bulks of contraband confiscated inside jails this year. 52 cell phones, 232 sticks of tobaccos, 42 packets of cigarettes, 55 flash drives were all disposed today.
Mga 1 year na, nagsimula ito ng 2024 and every year naman ginagawa ito ng BJP-NCR, isa sa programa namin, itong disposal program natin para at least may pakita natin na talagang hindi tinotolerate ni BJMP na magkaroon ng contraband sa ating mga facilities.
But compared to the number of confiscated and disposed contraband last year, the number has visibly decreased this year. As seen, almost all of the contraband confiscated declined by more than half compared to 2024. According to BJMP-NCR, this may be due to stricter policies and measures implemented within their facilities.
Natututo na yung ating mga PDL na iwasan magpasok ng contraband at kung may mga nakakapasok man, ito ay mangilan-ngilan na lang. Nevertheless, ganun pa rin kahit anong tago nila dahil sa seryosong pag-greyhound ng ating mga personnel.
The BJMP also plans to procure X-ray machines to make the inspections easier and faster, ensuring that no contraband at all, especially illegal drugs, are smuggled into their facilities.
Balak ni BJMP-NCR na lalong pahigpitin at pahigtingin yung ating security aspect and kung pwede nga makaprocure na rin kami ng mga X-ray machines para mas madaling makita kung ano man ang mga contraband na binabalak na ipasok sa ating mga piitan.
Today's activity is part of the National Correctional Consciousness Week of the BJMP with the theme, Matatag na Paglilingkod, Makabagong Pamamaraan, Maunlad na Serbisyong Pampiitan. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.